Step 1. Sign up with dlmanaged.com and pay your one-time startup fee, and then a small monthly management fee after that. But remember, you're going to make this back over time. Step 2. A DL Managed account manager will be emailing you to set up an appointment that will help you get all set up with the multi-level marketing campaign. And remember, you must be registered and have paid your startup fee first. No worries, if you cannot set up an appointment within the week, your spot is still safe and it's secure. We will build around your spot until we get you set up. It is critical, though, that we get you signed up in a timely manner. Step 3. Once you're registered with the current multi-level marketing campaign, your 90 days begins. Your custom link is now created and we are ready to sign 3 people underneath you. Step 4. Reminder. We are building your downline. We are finding 3 people to sign up under you, and this means you're advancing and moving on to the next level. All the customers we sign up are customers that signed up with us, which means we guarantee 3 people under them building their level 1, which now is your level 2, and so forth. And step 5, enjoy your success and reflect on the day you joined us. Think about all of those that can benefit from the investments you made and the support you were given by DL Managed. Share this with your friends, share it with your family, your coworkers, share this on social media. Share how your investment has grown.